5 ways the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be better than the Z Fold 7. Now, me personally, I'm biased. I think the 10 Pro Fold is going to be the best foldable phone ever made. Not ever made, actually. Because we all know the best foldable phone ever made is the Surface Duo 1. That's the best foldable phone. But made as of recently. And would be the 10 Pro Fold. Because the 9 Pro Fold right now is the best foldable phone currently on the market. Anyway, the first thing is it's going to have a much bigger battery. But I will say the Z Fold 7, even though it has only a 4400 millihertz battery, it packs a punch. And Samsung has done a really great job of still using the same battery from last year, but making it work and optimize so it still lasts just as long. Like, that's a big problem we thought going into this new Z Fold device, was that it was going to have battery problems, which would make logical sense given the fact it's the same battery as last year, but not the case. So I will say Samsung does a really good job of optimizing their software to work with their smaller batteries. But yes, much bigger battery is definitely a thing. Better water resistance, water and dust resistance. So yes, we also know that the Z Fold 7 will have an IP48. This is supposed to have, the 10 Pro Fold is supposed to have the IP68, which obviously is dust and waterproofness. Both of them are going to have it, just it's going to have a little bit better dust resistance than the Z Fold 7. So it shouldn't say better water and dust, because in reality, it's going to be the same water resistance. It's just going to be better dust resistance. Improved cameras. Again, I'm not surprised with Google. But at the same time, I don't know. Foldable phone cameras are amazing. They really are. But I'm always weird about the cameras. A large cover display. And yeah, even though Samsung has done a good job, of going ahead and fixing the cover display, making it a lot bigger on the outside so it's a lot more usable, still not perfect, and they still have a lot, things to fix in that department. Google's is just perfect. Google is like, it's pretty much like you take a Google Pixel phone and you just add 2 displays on it. That's pretty much what you get with the Google Pixel Fold series, which is another reason why it's so freaking amazing. But continuing down, better AI tricks. I guess I don't really care too much about the whole AI aspect, like Apple Intelligence, Google Intelligence, Samsung Intelligence. Bruh, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.